question 3. Given the function hx is this and hgx is this, find gx. Okay, so now we are finding the inside function. G is inside. So to find inside function, it's a little bit easier than finding outside function now. So let's see how to get hgx with hx. So hx is 8 over x, hy would be 8 over y, so hgx would be 8 over gx. So we say hgx is 8 over gx. This is our version of this is our version of hgx. This is their version of hgx. So what we can do is we can now compare. We can say 8 over gx equals to 4x. Then we swap this, we'll get gx. Okay, let me write it like this. So if you swap this, you put 8 over 4x equals to gx. Therefore, gx is 8 over 4x. But of course, we can simplify this. So this will give us 2 over x. Okay, but whenever you have x in your denominator, you must write your condition. So your denominator cannot be 0. Therefore, x cannot be 0. So this is gx. Okay, B. The value of x when GHX is 6. Okay, so let's find out what is GHX. So we know GX is 2 over x. GY would be 2 over y. So GHX will be 2 over hx. Then we know hx is this, so we put this inside here. So 2 over 8 over x. So this is equivalent to 2 divided by 8 over x, which is also 2 times x over 8. Whenever you have fractions and you have divide, you have to make it into times and you have to terbalikkan. So this will be, simplify, this will be x over 4. So now they said GHX is 6. And this is our GHX. So this equals to 6. Therefore, x equals to 24. Okay, we just have to compare lah. This is our GHX, and they said GHX is 6. Done.